got reports. There's a weird sound here. Is it in here, maybe?
I have a bomb.
I said give it back, bro. Give it back. Oh, don't you dare. Oh, ha ha ha. You think just because you throw away my instrument that I can't make that sound?
The weather's pretty nice and the water's pretty warm. Let's jump in.
The water is pretty warm.
Say your name whenever you're ready.
Marcus Weaver.
Taser, taser, taser.
Okay.
Homer dropped his donut.
Homer spills his soda.
Homer hits the doorway.
Homer ruins his whole day.
The pogs are released. They have no mercy.
Wait, what do you mean the pugs are released? Yo.
Sakadung kading padung ding. Sakading padung king.
Guys, I have something rare than you guys, and you probably don't have it. Look. Hey! That was mine! Give it back!
Nah, we're beating his ass for sure.
Diamond! Oh my God, Phil Diamond!
That's La Peace. That's La Peace.
What the is that? What is this, some Greek? What the is La Peace?
That's La Peace. That's La Peace.
What the is La Peace?
Ogre is the worst monster in Animal Company history, and I have a reason on why that is. Now, the reason why...
Hey! Why this? Bro, hey!
Man, Jacob, it's just a nice day at the lake. How's your day been?
Yeah?
Yeah. Wait, who's that?
I don't know.
Yo, what's up, dude? My name's Pink.
What are you doing here? But
Get on my lake!
Yo, this is a public lake. I don't know what you're talking about.
No, I own this lake!
You can join me.
Get on now! Get on now!
Black Jacob, where are you? I'm scared.
My hair!
What are you doing?
Make it act louder.
That was a normal guy. He did nothing wrong.
But he stole my leg.
Jacob, I'm sorry, but this is too far. I'm gonna have to kill you.
But no, he stole my leg.
I'm sorry, Jacob. This is too wrong.
No.
Okay, kids, it is 9:30. There's no sweets after 9:30, okay? I'm gonna be in bed over there. No cookies, okay?
Fuck you.
Especially you. You're big. Fat ass. Biggie. Okay, bye. We're still gonna get cookies, right? Yeah, we're gonna get cookies. Okay, come on, look. There are the cookies right there. We just have to. Okay, Kai, we need to figure out a way how to get that jar of cookie.
Let's just try jumping up for it. Let's go.
Okay, ready? I can't get it. Yo, what is that stomping? Is that Biggie?
I was just looking at the stash.
Sure you were.
Okay, go back to
Go
sleep
back to
before you
bed.
croak, old woman. Okay, we'll go back to sleep. Okay,
Go back to bed.
Go, just go. Go before you croak, old
Okay,
woman.
You're gonna cause an earthquake.
Okay. Wait, how about you get on my back? Let's just hope you don't
Oh,
break
yeah,
my
that's a good
spine.
idea.
Come on, let's go. We need the cookies really bad. Come on, get on my back.
Get closer.
Are you on? Oh,
I got my
Okay, bro, what's
Guys,
going on?
what are y'all doing?
Yes, cookies.
Oh, too much cookies. Oh, I'm having a heart attack. Oh.
The entire world seems to be asking the same question. Where is Spider-Man?
In today's screaming battle, we have Rain versus Max. Are we ready?
Boo.
Rain, go first. And now it is Max's turn. Max, show us what you got.
Alright. That's not fair! Yes, Mike is broken!
Oh, stole your fist.
Hey! No! No!
Yo, take it back. Take it back, bro. I'm sorry.
Alright, Jacob, I'm gonna show you a cool singing trick I found.
Alright.
Raise your ya ya ya. Even the rocket launcher agrees on it.
Alright, my turn, Dad. Raise your ya kaboom!
Bro, today's Christmas, man.
No, it's not, bro.
Yes, it is.
Oh my God!
Yeah, come here. Look, you got some presents from Santa Claus.
Hey!
Grab your
Yay!
presents and let's go open them. All right, come here. Let's open them.
Let's go with this one. Yay!
You gotta. Okay, Billy, which one do you want to open?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Gotta tell about toe. If we hurry, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't want that one.
You got an iPad, Billy. Don't eat this iPad, please. Okay, Billy, let's open up your last present, okay? Let's see what you got, man.
It's shaking. It's shaking.
Yeah, there's something in
I
there.
sound like metal.
All right, let's see.
Alright. A grenade!
Alright guys, I took you to the best zoo in LA. Of course we got here the venomous blue frog. What do you guys think? He's ugly as hell.
With this guy. Wait, actually, I'm gonna go pet him. Careful, he might bite.
Oh, you good, bro? You good?
Ah, shit, I don't know. Ow. Wait, everyone be quiet. You heard that, Unc? Hold on, what was that noise?
What?
Did you guys hear that? I don't know. It must have been the wind. Let's just check out this blue frog. And where'd he go?
Oh god, yo,
What
is he out of his mind right now? Bro,
Where'd the blue frog
he's
go?
very mad at Steel, like.
What?
Yeah, I'm here with you.
I think I found him, guys.
What do you mean?
What the hell?
Seen it. Already posted. Seen it. Hi there. My name is FeetVR, and I want to help you. What was that?
Hey guys, I got Jacob's blueberries. We're gonna go give it to him. Jacob!
Yeah!
Jacob!
What?
Got you blueberries. Don't eat them too fast, cause remember the saying, you are what you eat. Okay? So I'm gonna leave you to that.
Bananas. Yum 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 yum.
Jacob! What did I tell you? You're a blueberry now. See? You're a blueberry.
I'm a blueberry. I'm a blueberry.
That's a bad thing, Jacob.
Blueberry.
You need to go on a diet. You know what? I saved this cucumber for you. Now eat it.
No cucumber, blueberry.
Oh, you gave me some fun.
Do I hear my snack?
Tiny backpack. You want the tiny backpack?
I do a
Yo, watch where you're going, nerd! What the fuck? Give me your lunch money! Give me my lunch money! I'll give you my lunch money!
So, Bill, why did you know, like, do that to him?
Cause he's a flippin' loser! What'd you say to me, punk?
Stop!
Yeah, what do you want?
This is my lake.
What do you mean this is your lake? This is a frozen lake.
No, I own this lake.
You own a frozen lake? Crocodiles can't swim in a frozen lake.
Not on my lake.
This is not your lake.